When I first saw this video, I was heartbroken. Like, I wanted to know what would have led this woman to stabbing a child, a 3-year-old child. I was super excited. I mean, not excited. Excited is not the word. I mean, I was super curious to find out what really went down. Today's video is from News 5 Cleveland. It's titled "Woman Accused of Stabbing 3-year-old Child to Death, Forced to Court to Face Challenge." Of course, she'll be forced to go to court, but I really want to know what led to this and the story behind this woman. Is she psycho? Is she mental? Does she need help? You know what I mean? Only an insane person will stab a 3-innocent-year-old child. Today we'll be diving into that. Before we dive into that, my name is Oge. If it's your first time here, hello. Do well to like, share, subscribe, and those nice stuff. Okay, let's dive into the video. Is she pregnant? She looks pregnant.
Hello, Ms. Ellis. Do you have an attorney? You do? Do you have the money or means to hire an attorney? Have you received your indictment? Okay. Have you read it? You have not read it. Okay.
To you back there, right?
We have a copy here. You can read it. You don't want to read it. Are you willing to accept that the public defender has read it to you? I'm sorry. You asked her not to. Well, but she did read it to you, correct? She didn't read it to you. Okay, well, we can read it in open court.
Okay, some attitude there.
Okay. It's a 10-count indictment. Count 1 alleges that on or about June 3rd, 2024, the defendant did purposely and with prior calculation and design cause the death of J.W. 10/29/2020. The state of Ohio reserves the right to seek a superseding indictment containing the appropriate 2929.04A aggravating circumstances specifications. And so you understand that means the state is reserving its right to add a death penalty specification. Count 2 alleges that on or about June 3rd, 2024, that the defendant did purposely cause the death of J.W. 10/29/2020. Count 3 alleges that on or about June 3rd, 2024, the defendant did cause the death of J.W., date of birth 10/29/2020, as a proximate result of the offender committing or attempting to commit an offense of violence that is a felony of the first or second degree, to wit, felonious assault, Ohio Revised Code Section 2903.11A1, and or endangering children in violation of Ohio Revised Code Section 2919.22B2. Count 4 alleges that on or about June 3rd, 2024, the defendant did knowingly cause serious physical harm to J.W. on date of birth 10/29/2020. Count 5 alleges that on or about June 3rd, 2024, the defendant did torture or cruelly abuse J.W., date of birth 10/29/2020, a child under 18 years of age, and furthermore, the violation resulted in serious physical harm to J.W., date of birth 10/29/2020. Count 6 alleges that on or about June 3rd, 2024, the defendant did attempt to purposely cause the death of Margot Wood. Count 7 alleges that on or about June 3rd, 2024, the defendant did attempt to cause the death of Margot Wood as a proximate result of the offender committing or attempting to commit an offense of violence that is a felony of the first or second degree, to wit, felonious assault, Ohio Revised Code Section 2901.11A1. Count 8 alleges that on or about June 3rd, 2024, the defendant did knowingly cause serious physical harm to Margot Wood. Count 9 alleges that on or about June 3rd, 2024, the defendant did, knowing that an official proceeding or investigation was in progress or was about to be or likely to be instituted, alter, destroy, conceal, or remove any record, document, or thing with the purpose to impair its value or availability as evidence in such proceeding or investigation. Count 10 alleges that on or about June 3rd, 2024, the defendant did with purpose to deprive the owner, Volunteers of America store, of property or services, to wit, knives, knowingly obtain or exert control over either the property or services without the consent of the owner or the person authorized to give consent.
You guys, that's a lot. That is a lot. That is some really serious trouble there. I mean, if she's alleged to have done all of this, I actually cannot wait to hear from her because she's smiling and giggling. I have three things going through my head. I have a few things going, like, it's either, and first of all, she's pregnant. Does she look pregnant? Or is she sick? Is she mentally okay? Because, I mean, that's some very serious allegations there. And you're smiling and even posing for the camera. I mean, someone who knows what they're actually reading and can actually comprehend what is being read will realize that that is some serious trouble. And you're not going to go scot-free, okay? No matter who you are, you're not going to go scot-free. But she's there, smiling, giggling, like making faces at the camera. I'm really interested in why she's this relieved, why she feels like, oh, she has a right to do what she did. Let's just continue, honestly.
I've now read the indictment to you. Do you wish to enter a plea of not guilty?
Sí.
Pardon me?
Sí.
What's same mean? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. I understand the victims are represented and they want to make a comment before I set bond. Is that true?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Good morning, sir. Could you start with your name?
My name is Jared Wood, father of deceased, husband of Margot. Your Honor, that day, 1 week ago, she took everything from us. There's nothing that could ever replace my son, or anything that my wife and I, or even our other kids, are going through. It's horrendous.
I mean,
Really wish no bail, period. Or extend it to the max limit possible that you can, at the very least. Just do whatever you can to keep this monster behind bars.
Thank you, sir. Is there anything else you would like to say?
That'll be it. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
this is hard, honestly.
Is there anything else before I pronounce bond?
Your Honor, we would just ask that you consider assigning the Public Defender's Office, recognizing this is not our number. We did represent her at the first appearance unit. I did meet with her on Friday. We have had contact with her family and begun working on the case. Thank you, Your Honor.
When the original bond was set out of Muni Court, the bond was set at $1 million, and it was before the passing of one of the alleged victims. I do not believe that bond is appropriate given the change in circumstances and the allegations that are contained in this indictment. Bond is set at $5 million, cash, surety, or property. GPS, no contact with any surviving victim or victim's family. DNA order. Judge is John Russo. Pretrial is June 17th at 9 a.m. I'll assign counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Huh. I'm still trying to understand what's when the. I mean, is there more than one victim? Because I'm still trying to understand. Now, did they adjourn this case? Is there going to be more stories, you know, more court cases? What exactly? Because I really would love to hear from her. First off, I feel like she's not okay mentally. Second of all, I have a lot of questions to ask. I mean, is it more than one child? What could be her reason? What could be going on with her? Is she working alone? Like, does she have other people she works? Because someone cannot just be going out there killing innocent children. Something has to be wrong with her, or she has people that she works for, right? I mean, I'm really interested in this story, and I hope that I get to see more videos where she has more more cuts videos where we can watch and get updated with the story. Anyway, if you know what went down later in the story, if she got charged to court or she later went to jail, whatever the situation is, let us know in the comment section below if you're familiar with the story. I'm really interested in it anyway. Do well to like, share, drop a comment on what you think about this story. First of all, she's not acting like she's in trouble. That is what is even bothering me. Second of all, is she sick or pregnant? I'm not sure. Third thing is there more than one victim? Is it more than one child she murdered, right? So I would love to know this in the comment section. Let's know and let's get this conversation going in the comment section. Do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you in my next episode. Bye.